Hello, everyone. It's the Angry Astronaut again, and today we're diving deep into one of the most consistent, baffling, and downright intriguing patterns in the entire UAP phenomenon: bright orb UFOs flying in perfect triangular formations. You've seen the viral compilations: silent glowing spheres locked in a triangle, sometimes an equilateral triangle, cruising the night skies over cities, military bases, oceans, and even captured on drone infrared and from commercial airliners. They appear all over the world, year after year. But this isn't just a modern TikTok trend. We're talking a phenomenon with roots stretching back decades into space itself and possibly tied to something far bigger than we ever imagined. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and the bell. We go long form on this channel because the truth doesn't fit in 60 seconds. Today, we're connecting the dots. The recent Pentagon highlighted Apollo 17 photo showing three points of light.
Angry Astronaut background commentary. Find him on his page. No copyright.
Vasco team from the 1952 Palomar Observatory plates, military drone footage that the Pentagon itself calls unexplained orbs in formation, and the global